Yo, what up? It's your boy Roll 100, and if you want to know how to maximize your income and increase your paper using these app-based gigs, then check it out. Stick around. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed. Become part of the grind gang. Hey, stick around for this video. I'm about to share some tips with y'all, and some of y'all that's already getting this money, you know how we do. Yo, what up? It's your boy Roll 100. What up? It's your boy Roll 100. What's up, grind gang? Yo, what up? It's your boy Roll 100. Yo, what up? It's your boy Roll 100. Yo, what up? It's your boy Roll 100. Grind gang, what it do? It's your boy Roll 100. Grind gang, what it do? It's your boy Roll 100. Grind gang, what it do? It's your boy Roll 100.
You can't do nothing about me. I get it in, 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 get it. Watch me get it in.
Grind gang, what it do? It's your boy Roll 100, and I'm back with another video for y'all today. Hey, check this out. This is gonna be real quick. I just wanted to say I appreciate it to the one customer I had yesterday. I was doing skip the dishes last night, and when I pulled up, I got an unexpected tip that I don't normally get. Usually with skip the dishes, you get like maybe $1, maybe $2. If they even tip you at all, it depends, you know. But when I walked up to this house to deliver the food, it was a pretty nice house. So it was a nice little walkway to walk up to the house. I walked up, I had my skip bag and I unzipped the bag, and as I was getting up to the porch, a lady came out with her son. He was standing there holding something in his hand, and I walked up and I gave her the food. She was like, "Oh, thank you so much. Happy holidays. Here's a little something for you." So she gave me like $5, and then the little dude handed me like a tray of cookies. You know what I'm saying? Like holiday Christmas junks. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate the holiday Christmas junks. Shout out to little dude. Cookies was good. Matter of fact, I still got a couple left. I was gonna share it with my kid. I just got them last night. I tasted it. The cookies was cool. So shout out to little dude. Merry Christmas to you. You know, that was cool, man. That was just something different from the normal tips that I usually receive. I thought that was cool. So anyway, happy holidays to y'all. It's your boy Roll 100. Excuse my background, you see the tripod. We finna go record, so we finna shoot some footage. Shout out to everybody out there hustling. Happy hustling, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff to you. Get the money, you feel me? Happy grinding. Grind gang. It's your boy Roll 100. You already know I do it so you don't have to. So remember, when you roll, make sure it's 100. Peace.